I met with one of my recent graduates, and they love their job. And that's what I hope for all of my students. I'm Andrew Short. I'm a professor and the department chair for the Mechanical Design Technology program here at LWTech. Something in particular that my students really have enjoyed and gravitated towards has been the group projects that we've done. They're fabricating parts, they're coming up with the digital models and the fabrication drawings, overcoming challenges, being resourceful, coming up with a design that meets the requirements but is still simple and elegant and works reliably. They're learning all of these things.
My favorite part about learning my program is definitely seeing how it's all made. Literally almost every industry has machining, and pretty much every company you can think of absolutely needs machinists at one point in the design stage. Hi, my name is Christopher Glenn Atkinson. I'm a LWTech student. I'm currently enrolled in the machining technology program. I'm absolutely loving it. All of my family are all blue-collar workers, so I figured I'd try a new trade, and I really want to go into engineering, so getting the machining program done before that, I basically get a leg up on how to design stuff and how to make stuff.
At the end of my first quarter, my final assignment was to make a box out of steel, and I failed so many times, but I eventually got it, and it was so happy when I finally got it. It was the best feeling in the world. My name is Kevin Johnson, and I am a student at the Welding Technology program at LWTech. I like to feel like I'm doing something for other people, and it's like really easy to find a way to do that in welding. It's so fun if you think it's fun. It's just amazing.
You will be a better designer the more you understand about how things are fabricated. I think the hands-on aspect of our program is really important and valuable, especially to companies, because they're looking for people who can do multiple things, not just sit behind a computer and do the design, but also taking that design and running with it and putting things together.
We have a lot of the basic machines that you need. We have manual mills, manual lathes, CNC lathes, but it's really good because we have a lot of experiments with basically a base of everything. So if you go into work for SpaceX, NASA, they're very much looking for people who have manual experience.
We have quality machines, and like 20, 30 of them, and they all get used. There's basically never a time where there's not a booth open. It's very rare. It's so worth it. It's actually so worth it because you get to have your own machine, like for the dip. It prepares you for when you have your own things, and there's no way I would ever have something like that without LWTech.
I have really seen many of my students grow in my program. They're coming up with their own designs. It's dynamic, it's hands-on, and they're learning a huge amount from it.
So far I've done very, very good in the machining program, and I'm getting a lot more experience with how it's done, how it's actually made. So far it's definitely helped me hone in what I want to do for the rest of my life. It pretty much fulfills me when I say, oh wow, I can't believe I did that. That's awesome.
I'm going to fabrication next. So I'm excited to learn how to read blueprints. It's very, very easy to find out if you like it or not. Just come down and say hi. Anytime you can strike an arc.
It's awesome, and honestly, it's really easy as long as you do your work. You can totally ask questions to any of the students there. Everyone I've met, super nice people, will absolutely help you.